so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. Is anybody else absolutely buzzing that it's now cup of tea season? Hello and welcome back to my channel. It feels so nice to be filming when it's not absolutely scorching outside because I'm not sweating like mad. Welcome back to my channel. I am Luce Stephenson, in case you don't know. I upload here on Wednesdays and Sundays, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy bargain hauls. So today I've had to split all of my bargains into little videos, so there's going to be a lot more bargains coming, but today we're going to be doing BeautyBay and some New Look bargains. So I'll start with New Look first. So I got some bargains from New Look. So New Look have loads of their stuff in the sale, so it includes all of their makeup range basically, and loads of like accessories, and I was very, very good. I stayed away from the makeup range. I got one lipstick, but I bought it for my friend Nicola, just as a little pick-me-up because I know she was feeling a little bit stressed and stuff, so, and also to say well done because she was absolutely amazing in the show. If you don't know what show I'm referring to, I actually did 2 makeup looks on my channel here when I was a makeup artist for a dance school in Hartlepool called JML. That was like a little present for Nicola for doing so amazing and dancing and just making the show absolutely beautiful. Just like the person that she is, I just love her so much. So I did buy her a lipstick, which will look absolutely stunning on it. It's like a really nice red. And I also bought her a cup, and I also got myself one of these as well because it's just, look at it. So this was reduced from £6 to £3, and then it was further reduced to £2. So I got this, and it says Mermaid Martini on it. Just looks like this, and I absolutely love it. And I think, yeah. Absolutely love mugs, as you can probably tell. I love mugs. So the second thing that I got, and like I said, I only got 2 things from New Look, is this acrylic set of drawers. I'm always on the look for more makeup storage and renovating, that's the word, my makeup collection and organising it all, because I do want to do an updated version, because my last one was when I lived at Blake's house, and I've lived here for quite a while now, like over a year. So yeah, obviously I want to do an updated version, but I need it to be, it's not in the right place, everything isn't where I want it to be yet. So I got these, and these were meant to be £15, I was reading the euros, and it was meant to be £14.99, and it got reduced to £5. It got reduced to for a 3 set of drawers, which I think is absolutely amazing, an absolute bargain. If you're wanting something similar and you can't find it in New Look, say they don't have it anymore, Wilkinson's have a really, really, really good set of drawers. I got Hayley them for Christmas and filled them with makeup in. It was a really nice idea that I thought of. I was very proud of that present. And I think they're about £6 from Wilkinson's. Obviously they're like a little bit different to this, but they are, I'm sure it's a 3 set. The Wilkinson's ones, and £6. If you want, you can go on the Wilkinson's website and have a look. I'll try and leave a link down below for you. So the other side is BeautyBay. So my BeautyBay stuff I got quite a while back, and I've not had a chance to play with it yet because I wanted to film a video. So I got, if you know, Morphe have now got their own UK website, so they've completely gone out of BeautyBay. So BeautyBay had such a huge sale on for everything that was going, and I thought this is my time to get Morphe stuff at a discounted price, stuff that I've always wanted, because the brushes that I always reach for are Morphe ones, and there's always like this one brush that I always reach for. So yeah, everything sold out really, really, really quick, especially the makeup palettes. I've only got brushes and a sponge. So the first thing that I have is the sponge, and this is the Flawless Beauty Sponge, and all of the makeup gurus absolutely rave about this. So I was like, yeah, I need this. And ooh, excuse me, hiccup there. This was £4.80 in the sale, so I picked that up. Ooh. And then, like I said, the rest are all brushes that I picked up. So let's have a look. So I picked up the Morphe M138 brush, and this is the round contour brush, and this one was only £1.50. Like £1.50. I've not even felt any of these. I haven't took them out of the wrapper or anything because I've literally been waiting to film this video for you guys. And I thought for £1.80, like, you literally cannot go wrong. Oh, that reminds me, when I got that new look stuff, I also bought 2 brushes, but I used them for the summer show. So they're still in my makeup kit, which is like down on the floor, down here. So I don't have them to show you, but they're like kind of flat brushes like these. A bigger one, like a concealery sized one, and then a smaller one, and they're like £1, £2 each. So that was an absolute bargain as well. So I also got one from Morphe, and this is the this is the M224 brush, and this was reduced to £2.10. I literally got this to do kind of patterning my P. Louise base and stuff like that, and to carve out the crease and stuff, because I do have a MAC one. I have like the MAC one that everyone recommends, but if it's caked, or if sometimes I want to apply glitter with like a flat brush or something like that, then I've always got a spare one. And for £2.10, like, you literally can't go wrong. Such a bargain. The next one is the Morphe E27 brush, and let's see, this one is the Elite 2 Pro Round Blender brush, and this one was £4.80, and I believe this was meant to be like £7 or £8, something like that. Oh, that one is soft, and like you can tell this one's a more expensive one than the other ones. The other one's a bit more of a plastic, whereas it's got a nice like gloss sheen to it compared to the others. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, it's kind of got like a brown bristles on the end, so I'm excited to, I feel so soft. I'm excited to try that. Ooh. And then I also got the E22 brush, which is the Elite 2 pointed blender brush. So the other one was a pro round one, and this one is the pointed blender brush, and this again was £4.80, and it just looks like this. And I really wanted small kind of brushes to like really get in and to do like different layers and like my sandwich layers of eyeshadows. So that's why I've kind of gone for all these kind of blendery small brushes. And the next one is the Morphe Morphe M139. Why can't I pronounce them? And this is the Tapered Crease Blender brush. And this one costs £2.10 again, and you can tell the elite ones compared to the cheap ones. Like, you can really tell the difference with them. This is like hollow, and where this feels, I don't know, just feels better, more higher quality. So that is the, what did I say it was? M139. I can't even remember myself. Just like this. And then we have, how many left? I think this is the last one. Yeah, last one is the Morphe M513. And this is described as a round blender brush. And this one was £4.19. This one has a bit of a different price tag to the others. It's kind of got the cheaper handle to it compared to the elite ones. And this is a white bristled brush. And it just looks like this. So yeah, that is everything that I got from BeautyBay, and that came up to £24.59. And if you'd bought all these in full price, it definitely would not have come up to that. It would have come up to so much more. So yeah, that is, I mean, look at the size differences. So the elite ones are extremely tall, and then the other ones are medium, and then for some reason this one is a lot shorter than the rest of them. And then obviously I got my sponge as well. So that is everything that I got from New Look and from BeautyBay and Morphe. I have got a Morphe palette, but that will be hauled in a different video because I didn't get it in the sale. I've paid full price for that from the actual Morphe website. And that's for an exciting series that's coming up on my channel. Oh, I'm so excited. You might have saw the first one yet. I don't think you will have, but if you have, I will leave it linked down below, and a little card either here or I think it's up here. I'm not sure. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy these kind of bargain hauls and quick snappy little hauls, please let me know. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below so I can do more in the future. And I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I'll hopefully see you then. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn that notification bell on, because I know some of you are missing my videos and I'm just not down for that. You shouldn't be missing out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.